How do you use self-discipline to get everything that you want? Great question, right? Well, the truth is, discipline is the key to everything that you want. You have control over the actions that you take. You don't really have control over much else, but you do have control over that. And when you're disciplined and you do things that you don't want to do consistently, you get the results that you want. It's that simple. This morning, the last thing I wanted to do was get up at 4:30 a.m. after a terrible night's sleep. And my mind was racing, saying, just sleep in for an extra hour and a half, and that is what will make you feel better. And that couldn't have been further from the truth. I got up, I did my breath work, my meditation, and I worked out. And every time my mind was telling me to do less reps or to stop halfway through, I would do more reps. So I mastered my mind, and I had all of my morning practice done by 5:34 a.m. despite feeling incredibly tired. Am I still tired? Yes, but I mastered the day and I mastered my mind, and that is how we get what we want. I'm doing a masterclass this week on how to use your self-discipline to get everything you want. Link is in the bio.